Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to skip internet connection during Windows installation. Are you ready? So let's get started. So you are going to install Windows 11 and you will come to this step to connect to the internet. But you don't have any internet, okay? How to skip that? It's very easy. Let's do it together, okay? Please, first of all, press Shift F10 to open the terminal or CMD, okay? Then after that, you should type uh, OOBE, okay? And then bypass NRO and press enter, okay? It will restart the PC, okay? Just a moment. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. So you should choose the country. Okay, I live in Switzerland, so I'm going to choose Switzerland. And you can select the keyboard layout. I'm going to choose at the moment, for example, German. Yes, and you wanna add another layout? No, I'm going to skip this. As you can see, now you have this option. Uh, I don't have internet. Click this one, and you can type your name, whatever you want, Windows 11, okay? And yeah, that's how you can escape Windows 11 internet connection, okay? That's it guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.